Where will it be? Bob told me it would be here. There it is. Oh, this must be the magic machine that gives you infinite ice creams. I guess that if I go through the door, it will grant my wish too. I want 1,000,000 ice creams, please. Huh? Oh man, what a scam. Who are you? Hey, what are you doing?
Peaceful days are always the best ones. Huh? Hey, Bob. How you doing?
Johnny, this is crazy! There's a horde of bulldozers destroying the construction site!
A horde of bulldozers? What are you talking about?
I'm telling you, we need your help and quick!
Don't worry, Bob. I'll take care of this. I can't get in touch with him. Time for Plan B.
Hi,
Hello?
Johnny!
Guys, there's something fishy going on with Bulldozer. Can you go to the city and investigate?
Of course!
Right away, boss!
Bulldozer, stop!
You'll have to be more specific.
This is a mess. We have to stop them both. Please, leave me alone! Hey, pick on someone your own size, big guy. Catch me if you can, Anima Snail.
Huh?
Hi! You'll have to do better than that, buddy. What?
Kracko, move!
Whoa!
And now!
Huh? Whoa!
What happened? Where did they go?
Guys, you better take a look at this!
Help! Help!
This is a disaster!
What?
You know what to do, right?
Oh, yeah.
We'll just need a little boost. Hey, Batfly, how's the mission going?
You won't believe it, Johnny! Those bulldozers were cloned! We know how to defeat them, but I need a little help.
Say no more. It's power-up time. But this will be done in a jiffy.
Let's do this. That was the last clone left.
Yeah, but where is the real Bulldozer?
Hey, guys. Ouch!
What? I had to make sure he was the real one.
Anyway, the big guy has to answer a lot of questions.
It was this big weird machine that made clones. You'll see. Hmm? No.
What's going on, Bill?
The machine is gone. It's disappeared.
Here I come! It's piñata time for the birthday girl. Oh, Torch, you saved me from that evil piñata. Don't you think we have enough balloons already, Bob?
Katie's birthday must be perfect. And a perfect birthday has a lot of balloons, Johnny. You of all people should know that.
Okay, Bob, if you say so.
While I do this, why don't you bring the cake?
You got it.
Huh? Nope. Still need more balloons.
Here comes the cake! Wow, those are too many balloons.
Nice. Yeah. Wow. Woohoo! Behold, this is my masterpiece.
The table's flying away! Somebody grab it!
Huh? Yeah!
Oh.
My balloons! My perfect party!
Come on, guys, we must save the cake!
A birthday party without a cake? No way, Jose!
Come on, guys, the cake's getting away! We need to go faster. Animal cars, we need the help of Tractal! Tractal, thanks for coming to help us. We need you to take us to... Huh? Wait, where's the table? Torch has caught a trail!
You're amazing, boy!
Tractal, follow behind us. Torch knows the way.
Ouch!
Look up there! Tractal, you need to fly up there and bring back the cake.
Come back in one piece.
Don't worry, Bob. Tractal won't get a scratch. You'll see. I don't think he was talking about Tractal.
Good, there he is!
Oh no! Tractal's reactors are making the balloons blow up!
No! The cake!
We need to do something! Quick! Animal cars! We need the help of Bulldozer! Bulldozer, you must catch the cake! You got this, buddy!
Good job, Bulldozer! Go Animal Knife!
I'm so sorry, Katie. I ruined your birthday party.
Are you kidding me? We had a tracking, a chase, a rescue. This was the best birthday ever.
Huh? Yay!
And don't forget about the cake.
Like I said, a birthday party without a cake is not a birthday party.
Great job, Blue Lamp. You came back in no time. Let's see how our patient is doing. So, a little dizzy from the ride, huh? Don't worry, Bob. Before you know it, you'll be at the construction site again. Now let's see. Who's the next patient on the list? Huh? Bless you. Either is safe. Are you okay, Blue Lamp? Blue Lamp, I think you have a cold. You need to rest. We'll need someone to bring the patients in. Yes, I know who can help us out.
We're here, Joe. We'll be your ambulance today.
That's great, Johnny. Our first patient is Ice Ping. Katie called in saying he has a cold.
A penguin with a cold? Now that's something to see. Am I right? I think we'll need some help to bring the patients to the hospital. I know who we can call for this. Animal cars. We need the help of Rhino trucks. We'll need you as an ambulance today, buddy. But I think you should look like an ambulance to do the job.
Don't worry, Johnny. I got you.
Huh? This is great! Rhino, get ready for your upgrade. You look perfect, pal. Let's go! Hi, Johnny. Hi, Kitty. How's Ice Cream doing?
I think he has a cold. He needs some medicine quickly.
Don't worry, Katie. We'll take him to the hospital in no time. To the hospital!
Well done, guys. You were very fast. How are you feeling, little guy? Don't worry. You'll get better in no time. Guys, the next patient is Delibug. She got stuck in a tree and broke a helix. We have to bring her here so I can help her.
All right, Joe. We'll be back before you even notice. There's Delibug, guys. Don't worry. We'll get you down. You only need to find a way to get up there. Come on, guys. We almost got her. Got you! Now let's get back to the hospital.
Delibug will recover very soon thanks to you guys. Great job!
That's awesome, Joe.
Now there's only one person left. It's Ed. He sprained his ankle on the beach.
We're ready to roll. Okay, guys, let's find Ed. Help! Look, guys, it's Ed on top of that rock.
Help me, Johnny! I sprained my ankle and now I can't get down!
Don't be afraid, Ed. We'll help you. We have to get him down, but he's too high up there for any of us. What can we do? That's it! We'll need some help from the sky! Animal cars, we need the help of Meagle! Let's go rescue Ed, Meagle! We got you!
Thanks so much, guys. I was really scared.
Don't even mention it, Ed. Now, let's get you to the hospital.
Huh? Ow!
Hi, Joe. I think we're gonna need a stretcher for this one.
Don't worry, Ed. You'll be all right really soon.
What a relief. The world can't go on without my sick Parker moves.
Yeah, I think the world will be just fine without them for a while. Thank you, guys. We're done for the day.
Yeah, now we can... as I was saying, we can... Achoo!
Don't tell me.
What? I'm fine, guys. I'm as cool as a... Achoo! Achoo! Achoo!
I think someone will have to rest for a while.
Oh, man.